Forensic science. Application of science techniques and principles. Criminalistics. Application of scientific methods. Dr. Hans Gustav Adolf Gross, father of modern criminalistics. Paul L. Kirk, father of criminalistics in United States. Dactyloscopy, also known as fingerprint identification. Polygraph, also known as lie detection. Forensic odontology, application of dental science. Color of skins, Caucasians, fair or kayumanggi, Malayans, brown, Negros, black. Laser, best method of tattoo removal. Professor Dr. Marcelo Malpighi, grandfather of fingerprints. Huachi, also known as fingerprint in China. Emperor Tianxi, first Chinese leader who made a seal card. Podoscopy, study of footprints. Basal or proximal phalange, base of the finger nearest to the palm. Ito po, yun. Middle phalange, next and above the basal. Middle terminal phalange, tip of the finger. Friction skin is the epidermal hairless skin. Ridge, hill-like structure. Furrows, canal-like structure. Sweat pores, serve as exit of sweats. Epidermis, outermost layer of the skin. Dermis, innermost layer of the skin. Generoso Reyes, first Filipino fingerprint technician. Isabella Bernales, first Filipina fingerprint technician. John Dillinger, public enemy number 1 who tried to remove fingerprint using corrosive acid. Lucila Lalo, first Filipina chop-chop lady. Sir William Herschel, father of chiroscopy. Mary Kay Holland, first American instructress.